In this video, I will show you how to add custom fonts. First, log into your Kajabi admin panel. Then go to Website and click on Design. You will see the active theme displayed on the screen. On the top right, you will find the Customize button. This is the main Customize option for the active theme. For themes that are installed but not active, the Customize option appears as an icon instead. Click on that icon to customize the theme. On the next screen, to access the theme settings, click on Settings. From there, find and click on Font Styles. Kajabi already offers some Google fonts here, but not all fonts are available in the list. If the font you want is not included, you will need to add it manually. Do a Google search with keyword Google Fonts, then click on Google Fonts here. Search for the font you want, for example, Enter. Click on the font, then click Get Font, followed by Get Embed Code, and select Import. From the embed code, copy only the import line. Make sure to skip the style tags, as they are not needed. Now go back to Kajabi. Open Custom Code from the settings and paste the copied code into the Custom CSS section. Click Save in the top right corner. Next, go back to Font Styles. You will now need the font name. Return to Google Fonts and copy the font family name only, without quotation marks or extra text. Go back to Kajabi and paste the font name into the desired font field, such as the heading font. Save the settings again. Once saved, you will see the heading font change. This update applies across the entire website, not just one page. That's it. Now you know how to add custom fonts in Kajabi.